Hello, PPMO ecosystem. I really would love you natives to apply yourself as we discuss state asset sale misinformation. PPMO published this clip in October 2020. One, private sector is there for profits and not social or citizen benefits. Their primary goal is profit for its shareholders. Two, governments around the world hold assets of different forms, from infrastructure, land farms, dams, companies to assembly plants. These assets are not there solely for profit, but are enablers of the economy mainly. If the state owns that assets, it pays salaries, which in turn salaries are spent, which enables other business in the value chain, an effective tool to sustain economic growth. First example, Qatar Airlines, one of the most successful airlines in the world, an industry leader in the space. This is a state asset that has been bailed out in recent months by the state of Qatar. The state of Qatar did not sell it because it has faced difficulty during the pandemic environment. Second example, Saudi Aramco and many other oil-producing states around the world faced difficulties as oil prices hit rock bottom and demand crashed. Plants owned and operated by those countries. They did not go to the open market and sell their state assets at a discount. Three, carrying from the top two. How does a monopoly of a commodity in demand not make a profit? Globally, we all know the dangers of monopolies, but in the case, it's a benefit. We need this resource to provide energy for households and industry at lowest prices. The entire country sees SA/ESCOM as a great asset. The problem is its executives and maybe even lower-level staff. But its biggest issue is the culture of using state assets to self-enrich. This culture is driven and embedded by the political elite. We all know that. Native, the question then becomes, why not remove the problem, not the assets? This is just another process of enriching friend networks for personal gain. This is the same asset used by apartheid to boost its asset column and sanction bust. We have learned from Telkom and other examples how management would misrun the entities and then buy them at a steal. Soon after, they would be making huge profits with the same management. Not sure, but this could be insider trading, manipulation, conflict of interest, negating your professional obligations, but most importantly, it is theft. Simple. This is a repeat of the start of democracy theft of state assets, just on steroids now. Click on subscribe on the YouTube channel to support, then activate your repository profile to capture your history and lessons learned. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. uMadam here. Awesome. Have a great one.